Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Codeforces and we're gonna solve the first problem of Codeforces Round 973 due to, and this is called as Zhan's blender. So here the problem is today a club fair was held at some random place NSPHM. In order to advertise his pastry club, Zhan decided to demonstrate the power of his blender. To demonstrate the power of his blender, Zhan has n fruits. Total number of fruits are n. The blender can mix up to x fruits per second. Okay, and in each second, Zhan can put up to y fruits into the blender. So if this is the blender, the capacity or the size of this, let's assume that it is like y. He can put y fruits in the blender, or maximum holding capacity, we can think like that also. After that, the blender will blend minimum of x comma c fruits. What does it mean is, if there are where c is the number of fruits inside the blender. So even though if there are y fruits, if we are able to put up to y fruits, the blender can blend only x number of fruits, or the minimum. If there are only c which is less than x, it will blend only minimum of that. Y can also be minimum. Y can only be 3 or 2, but x can be like 100. So it can do all the 3 together, right? So that's what c represent, or y if it is less represents. After blending, blended fruits are removed from the blender. Help Zhan determine the minimum amount of time required to Zhan to blend all the fruits. So how much time will be required? I have n number of fruits, and we have a blender which can do x fruits per second, and I can put a maximum of y fruits into the blender for each second, or the capacity is like y fruits together I can keep. Now what are the parameters? This is it is very complex, right? Like you have n can be bigger, x can be bigger than y can be smaller, y can be greater. It creates a lot of confusion. So it's better we take a sample problem and try to solve it. So we will take the example only. In example they told 5, 3, 4. So 5, 3, 4. 5 represents 5 fruits are there, and 3 represents number of fruits the blender can blend per second. So 3 fruits per second, and 4 fruits are the capacity. Total 4 we can put it. Okay. So here if you see, we have 5 fruits. What I'll think, okay, I'll put 4 fruits together on the first second and blend it. So 3 gets blended. So 1 remains, and I'll put 1 more from 5. Okay. So then I'll blend again. So how many seconds happen? 2 seconds. But how do we generalize it? So let's try to understand with one more problem, maybe 933. So it is simple only 933. So what I'll do, 3 is the capacity, and I'll run all the 3 together. No. Yeah, so 1 second, all 3. Then again I'll put 1 more 3, run it. Again I'll put 1 more 3, run it. 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is 9. So how do we go ahead and think about the problem? One thing that you can generalize and say is, let's say in 2 ways. We have 4 fruits, right? Maximum I can put is 4 fruits into the blender, and again I have to put 4 more. It is like 4 is one time, and on the second I can put at max 4, but 4 is not needed. Only 1 more is needed, right? Out of 5, 4 is already kept, then only 1 more is there. So what is the total number of times I need to put it? Total number of seconds I need to put it? It is 2, right? So how did we get the 2? It is nothing but CL of number of fruits by 4. That is total capacity, or total fruits you put in 1 second. So 5 by 4 is what? It is 2. Now let's go to this place. What is this? It can blend 3 fruits per this. Okay, so if we have 5 fruits, we are not considering 4 at this point. In a blender we have 3. Now again, if 3 has been blended, now how many are more? 2. This can be blended on the next second only. So next time 2 will be there. 2. So 2 times I am blending. How am I relating it? It is CL of 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is how much? This is 2. Now as you see here, both are 2 only. So the answer is definitely 2 because we have to see the maximum possible. So, or we can go for one more thing, that is 100, 4, 3, and the answer as they mentioned is 34. Here in this case, if you see what is 100 by 3, 100 by 3 is 33 into 3 is 39, 33 into 3 is 99. So if you take the seal, I would have 34 times I need to keep putting, 34 seconds I need to keep putting in the blender, that is capacity of the blender. Even though the capacity is only 3, it can blend 4 fruits per thing, but that is not at all possible, right? That is not at all possible, only 3 at a moment. Now what I'll do, okay, I got 34. Now I'll also try for 4 as well. So what is 100 by 4? 100 by 4 is something like 25, right? 25. So 25 times I can turn on if 4 fruits are there, but it is not possible. So we say the maximum value that is possible is 34. So either the number of times I need to blend is maximum, or the total number of times I need to put the maximum number of fruits. Which is the maximum out of this? We just tell that will be the answer. So, and as you see here, there can be many ways people use seal function. You can use the seal function, or you can do a by b plus a mod b not equal to 0. And we can use this also. So this is one more formula, that is a by b seal value is represented as a plus b minus 1 divided by b. This is the one. So what I did was fruits, total number of fruits plus size of blender minus 1 divided by size of blender. Size of blender in the sense it is just the y value. In this case it is the number of fruits Zhan can put in 1 second. So that is what I meant by size of blender. Full blend time, total filling time is this, full blending time, each time how much fruits plus the capacity of the blend minus 1 divided by blend capacity, seal of this, and we take the maximum and we get the solution for it. So, and we see that this is the problem. So I have also shared the solution number here. So if you have any other ways, let me know. Maybe this might be the simple one, or there can be a complicated one. So, and please share your comments, and so that I'll see you in the next video. Bye.